In today's video, I will teach you how to stack photos in Lightroom. Let's get started. First, we're going to import and select your photos. Simply drag and drop your images into Lightroom or use the Import button in the Library module. Then press G to switch to the grid view in the Library module. Now hold down the Control key or Command key and click on the images that you want to stack. For sequential images, click the first image, then hold Shift, and click the last image to select all in between. Now we're going to create a photo stack. To do this, right-click on any selected photo, and from the context menu, choose Stacking, then Group into Stack. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-G on Windows or Command-G for Mac. The selected photos will collapse into a single thumbnail in the grid view, and the number of the photos in the stack will appear as a number on the thumbnail. Now we're going to expand or collapse the stacks. To expand the stack, click on the small number on the top left corner of the stacked photo, or simply right-click on the stack and choose Stacking and select Expand Stack. And to collapse the stack, click on the number again, or simply right-click on the stack and choose Stacking and select Collapse Stack. And you can also adjust the stack cover photo. To do this, expand the stack, then right-click on the photo that you want as a cover. Then select Stacking, then select Set as a stack cover. Then drag and drop photos within the stack to rearrange them. And to ungroup the stack, simply right-click on the stack, then choose Stacking, then unstack to separate the images. Photo stacking is a powerful feature to declutter your workspace and keep your photo library organized. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.